in Excel we often have lists that are unique to ourselves. It might be a list of employees' names, it might be a list of departments, it might be a list of special dates, it might be a list of regions, in which case I want to build those lists into Excel so I don't have to keep typing them. For example, I might have a list of people's names that I use on a regular basis and I just want to pull them up the same way as I pull up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So in the next empty column I'm going to type name, and underneath that I'm going to list those people's names that I need to be able to call up easily, any file, any sheet, at any time. With that list now typed, I'm going to highlight that list, including the word name. From the ribbon, I'm going to choose File, and I'm going to choose Options, second from the bottom on the left-hand side. In the Excel options on the left-hand side, I'm now going to choose Advanced. And then I'm going to scroll right to the bottom. I'm looking for a grey button called Edit Custom Lists, and I'm going to click that. Here is where Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, January, February, March come from. What it acknowledges is that in the background I have H1 to H10 highlighted, and it's allowing me to import H1 to H10 when I click the Import button. This is now permanently part of Excel. In the same way as I can call up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, January, February, March, I can now call up this list of names from any sheet, any file, any time. So I'll click OK, and I'll click OK again. Just to test the theory, I'm going to click in the next empty column and I'm going to type name. If I then click on name and put my mouse in the bottom right corner and drag the thin black cross, I'll get those names.